What's the meaning of astound? Astound. Astound.
Astound. Astound. Astound means to shock or amaze someone greatly. The result of astounding someone is a feeling of disbelief or awe, often accompanied by an emotional response such as excitement or fear. When someone is astounded, they may feel overwhelmed or speechless because they are so surprised by what they have seen or heard. Astounding experiences can leave a lasting impression on someone, and they may remember it for years to come. Overall, astound is a powerful word that describes a strong emotional reaction to something unexpected or remarkable.